Hormonal imbalances affect millions of women, stemming from conditions like PCOS, thyroid disorders, and menopause. These issues can impact women at any age, causing significant health challenges. Awareness and education are crucial for supporting women in achieving hormonal balance and overall well-being. Effective treatment and lifestyle adjustments can make a substantial difference in managing these conditions. 1. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are incredibly nutrient-dense, providing ample amounts of magnesium and calcium. Magnesium is critical for hormone synthesis and can alleviate PMS symptoms, including cramps, mood swings, and bloating. Calcium is vital for bone health and can help reduce menstrual pain. Incorporating leafy greens into your daily meals can provide these essential minerals. 2. Nuts and seeds. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and almonds are great sources of omega-3 fatty acids and phytoestrogens. Flax seeds contain lignans, which help balance estrogen levels in the body. Chia seeds provide fiber and omega-3s, promoting hormonal health and reducing inflammation. Almonds are rich in magnesium, which helps regulate cortisol levels and supports overall hormonal balance. 3. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a significant role in reducing inflammation and supporting hormone production. Omega-3s can help balance cortisol levels, improving stress responses and overall mood. Additionally, these fish are high in vitamin D, which is important for regulating menstrual cycles and maintaining bone density. 4. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and fiber. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which can interfere with hormone production and balance. The high fiber content in berries supports gut health, which is crucial for hormone metabolism. A healthy gut ensures that hormones like estrogen and progesterone are properly metabolized and regulated. 5. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain indole-3-carbinol, a compound that supports estrogen metabolism. These vegetables help the liver process and eliminate excess estrogen, reducing the risk of estrogen dominance. Estrogen dominance can cause PMS, weight gain, and other hormonal issues. Including cruciferous vegetables in your diet can help maintain a healthy estrogen balance. 6. Avocado. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that help stabilize blood sugar levels and support adrenal function. The beta-sitosterol in avocados helps balance cortisol, the stress hormone, and promotes a calm and balanced mood. Moreover, avocados contain fiber, which aids in digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes that can lead to hormonal imbalances. 7. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut provide probiotics that improve gut health and support hormone balance. A healthy gut is essential for the proper metabolism of hormones. And probiotics can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. This, in turn, supports the production and regulation of hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly enhance hormonal balance and overall health. A varied and nutrient-rich diet, coupled with regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, is essential for you are maintaining optimal hormonal health. By making mindful dietary choices, you can support your body's natural hormone regulation processes and improve your overall quality of life.